Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you what a dart is, because in some of my plans, I have to suck in areas or change the shape. So putting in darts in a slab of clay is sometimes the best way to do that. So what I'm going to do, looking at my piece that I have here, it's still pretty rough, but I know what I have to do to change the silhouette that I'm trying to get. And I know this is way too long and skinny compared to my original drawing and the shape that I'm kind of going for. So some of this still might get chopped off on the top, but I know I'm going to be adding slits down the side, whether it's in maybe 3, maybe 4 pieces. But this is going to make it start to curve in and help get rid of some of the excess that's here, and also start creating the angle that I want for when I actually do build and want to inset my lid inside this. And I think I'm going to cut maybe about 2 inches down or so. And I think I will do it in 4 places, but I'm just going to start with 2 kind of opposite each other, just to see how it goes here. Now, I just start with a straight line, or in this case an angled line going down. I will be cutting away a little wedge, so like a little slice of pizza, and that's to make this kind of curve in. So that's going to be the next step that I'm going to do. And I'll do that anywhere I think I could use a dart. But the idea of this is, after I have this wedge cut, I don't know if you can kind of see that, the idea of that is, once I put a little angled cut on this, or even just simply slip and score this together, I'll get a nice bend here, I'll get a nice mark, almost like it's quilted. And if I want to keep that after I slip and score it together, I'll leave it alone. If I don't want to keep that and I want to smooth it, I can take my rib or I can take my sponge and I could smooth it all out. So I'm going to play with my shape a little bit, because my sketch, if I deviate from it, oh well, that's okay. At least I had a base point as far as how big I wanted this to start to be.